Hi, this is Martha here at my channel, Nalinka Sims, with another video for hashtag Sad Morn Makes, which is hosted by Jill Norwood of Julia Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards. This is where crafters are uploading videos on Saturdays showing what projects they have made. You can check them out by entering this hashtag or participate yourself by using the same hashtag. There are so many who are participating and they make such beautiful things to show each week. Now, I have a set of cards that I want to show you, and I use this Stamping Up stamp. I used this one, this die set I got in a resale situation, so I don't know whose it is, but I did use it. I really like, I'll show you, it looks really pretty. And this is on loan from my friend Anita. It's Hero Arts Color Larry Flower Power in their Unity collection. This is really a great collection that they have going, and it also has the die. Now, what I'm going to show you first, the first cards, my main card I'll save for last. And again, as I did in another video, full disclosure, these first cards I'm showing you, I have shown in previous videos. But let me step back and explain just a little something. I'm a part of a group, and there's a young lady in the group who's just impressed me so much. She's young enough to be my daughter, and I wanted to send her some encouragement. And I went in my stash and picked out some cards. All right, so the first cards I'm going to show you are the ones that were in my stash that I was just picking out to just show her just because. So that's the one. Then from Heartfelt Creations, I picked this one out of my stash. Be still and know that I am God. And this is the inside. Okay, then we had a meeting just last week. And in that meeting, she mentioned that she had had some unkind words spoken to her about her hair. So I went back in my stash and pulled out this card. This is a Missy's card, and I just love it. And it has a real nice, encouraging sentiment on the inside. But mainly, I found this one in my stash, and I thought this is perfect. This girl's hair is made of feathers, and this is the sentiment on the inside. But the card that I made for her, especially after, wanting to really encourage her, is using that Hero Arts Unity Designs collection. And here it is. I just love it. I love it. I love it. This is the die that I said I bought in a resale situation. This is Anna Griffin flower here. This is Marianne Design Sprigs here. It needed some white down here to liven it up. And so I just layered it all up with trying to coordinate the colors in the hair. And then on the inside, I put this. And I hope this will just brighten her day. Thank you so much for watching. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Check out all of the others by entering the hashtag SatMornMakes. And thanks again to Jill for sponsoring this collaboration. Blessings to all of you, and Todah.